Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to make this. I just made it for them, and but they're having trouble with this rotating around and getting rid of the other lines. So my suggestion on something like this, let me move this out of the way quite a bit. I didn't have it all. And my suggestion is it's hard to rotate this and then let's make a duplicate, Control D, double click on the rotation, put it there, rotate it to 60 degrees. It's hard to get rid of those other lines. So my suggestion is to do what to do in this case is hit the plus key, move it over. We're gonna just need that shape, and we could very easily take it apart, but I think it's easier to take a rectangle, fill in the Smart Fill tool, move it over, fill that in. Let's move it down just out of the way. Now we have a black blob, and I'm gonna move it right to the spot. I've got it selected, and I'm gonna double click and move the rotation to here. Now I'm gonna rotate it at 60 degrees. Now what all you have to do is take this and go back minus front, and you get that shape. And then you can Control D. The rotation still there, 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. Very easy. So it takes out a lot of steps, making that black shape and deleting those lines. Now I did notice he sent me this file. He's turned these lines into, which is pretty smart. These are not lines, they're objects. So you could actually left click, right click, and make them lines. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.